Okay, I guess I haven't had for a week another marble machine, so here it is. And I power it up, and it's very simple. It's there's just one print, uh, and of course some of the bulbs. Some of these bulbs fell down whenever they decided not to cooperate. But most of it works perfectly. And maybe I should show it also this way a little bit. And it's one print for the base, and one print is the spinning part, whatever you call that. And as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. With a little tiny motor here. I'm running this one at 2 volts because at 5 volts it runs too fast. As a matter of fact, maybe it needs to be even slower. 1 volt is not enough. Okay. But probably 1.5 volts will do. But most of the balls now fell inside. But as you can see, it's working, so I'm happy. You have a great day again.